Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to be really brief. I'm trying to keep this within 15 minutes, but just to give you an overview of what an AI can do for your business. So let's get straight to the point without wasting more time. And at the end of this whole presentation, I will show you the numbers that you could be looking at saving in your business, other than just looking at the number of new patients that it will be helping you to get in your business. Let's go straight into my chart and I will zoom in. Now zooming in into the plan that we've got laid out for your AI to be installed, you will see that there are three key areas that the AI will be able to facilitate and enhance to grow your business. The first area is the calling sector. The AI will be able to make the calls. That is where it's making the calls and be able to book you more qualified appointments and help you to grow your business. The second area is setting up the appointments, and the third area is the customer service side of your business. So looking at some of the benefits, our AI is able to handle 1,000 calls simultaneously. And that means you're never going to miss any call. It also means you'll be able to reach out a number of people. When it comes to employing people to make the calls, you realize that the bottleneck is the number of calls or the volume of calls they can make at a time. With our AI system, it takes away that bottleneck. It means you can make a lot of calls within the shortest possible time, because our AI agent can make over 10,000 calls within a minute or under a minute. And it can make up to 100,000 calls in less than 10 minutes. That's because it's able to handle 1,000 calls simultaneously. And that is where you are going to have a competitive advantage over your competition. And you will be able to build your business faster, because the number of people you are reaching in a day are far more than what your competition can handle, especially when they have a person on the phone. And also, it's worth noting that you will not note the difference between the AI speaking to you and a person speaking to you. The voice is exactly the same, and you can choose multiple voices between your AI agent, and our team will be able to establish that for you. Especially for our customers based in the UK, we are able to choose a British accent, and for US and Canada, we are able to choose an American accent. If you want it to be changed to a British accent, absolutely, we can do that for you as well. The other thing you also have to notice that our AI system can work 24/7. It doesn't go off unless if you want to turn it off. Otherwise, it will answer the phone midnight, daytime, first thing in the morning, late in the evening. Anytime at all someone calls, it will answer the phone. Also, it will collect all the information because it's learning on the process. That is the good thing with our AI agent. As it's part of your business, it continues to learn all the tricks of the trade, understand people well, and is able to come out with new forms of conversations. It's able to maneuver the conversation in a way that you feel like it's a human being actually speaking. Now the thing is, whether you love it or not, most of the businesses will be going this way. So you either be a pioneer now, so that by the time your competition join the race, you are well ahead, or you can join later and by then it's almost too late for you, or too late depending on what time you decide to join. It's up to you. Now let's go on and look at some of the advantages of the call side when you're using our AI. With the statistics side, I've given these already, but when you compare these are values that we compare to what a human can do. Right, one AI agent can make 100 calls, and out of those 100 calls, let's say 25% of them answer the phone. That is 25 people answering the phone. So out of the 25 people, 1 or 2 people will convert. That is the statistics for the human aspect as well. But what we've realized is that with our records, the AI shows 2.2% conversion compared to the human aspect. We've noticed with our AI system, it's able to ask, oh, before I go, can I ask you a question? Or it's able to change the conversation in a way that it attracts the attention and cooperation of the person they are speaking to. And this is what is leading to the increase in the conversion rate by the AI, 2.2% compared to human counterpart. Also, let's look at the volume of calls that can be made by a person compared to an AI. We took a database of 100,000 people, and one AI agent is able to call all these 100,000 people in under 10 minutes. And that's because it's able to handle 1,000 calls simultaneously, which is really unfair to compare an AI to a human. That's why I don't have the comparison on here. But in one of our presentations, I showed some of our customers what the numbers are like. When you take a database of 100,000, for people to call, you need 10 people, and it will take them 100 days to be able to complete a database of 100,000. But an AI is able to complete these in under an hour. That is literally an advantage for you over your competition. With an AI handling 10,000 calls in under a minute and 1,000 calls simultaneously, where do you see your business in the next 5 years? Literally, you will be dominating every corner of your territory if you implement the AI into your business. Considering that this is going to be the norm at the end of the day, because AI is coming and it's fast and furious. So you can either join the journey now or you can join later. Depending on what time you join, it might be late, or you might be one of the early people to incorporate this into your business. Let's look at some of the advantages that AI brings to your business in terms of the calls aspect alone. When it comes to the advantages, the AI will lower the time that it takes you to reach out to your leads. Now, when it comes to the way that we are able to use the AI to book you 50 appointments and over, you don't just install the AI and leave it there to be calling people. People that their appointment is overdue, the AI is able to rearrange that appointment. Also, with the leads that are coming in from your website or from your social media campaigns or any other marketing campaigns you're doing, that is where your advantage lies. So other dentists, when you check how their social media or interruptive marketing work, usually people will opt in for what you've got, but they don't usually have time to go through. But then the AI is able to call them within 5 minutes of them opting in, so that it's able to keep them nice and warm and be able to have a conversation with them to get them booked. And that's why the number of appointments you have increase. Also, if the AI is not able to reach them, it's able to reschedule and call them again. You just set it up, it will keep calling them until it gets them booked onto your calendar. So literally, you have someone on the phone that will continue to make the calls for you until the people convert and become customers, or until they opt out and say, I don't want to be contacted again. Then the AI will take them from the database. But then we'll continue to nurture them through the second AI system, which will be through the emails and text messages system, until the person possibly change their mind to become a customer. The second advantage you have over your competition is the amount of money you save. How many people do you think you are going to need to employ, and how much do you think you have to pay them to be able to work 24/7 in your business, making calls all the time to prospects and to the database generated by your marketing campaign? This is where the AI will save you money, because when you install the AI in your business, it's only one-time installation and activation fee. You don't have to pay anything again. This will not be like that forever, especially as we are getting more into the mainstream. It will no more be one-time payment. We will eventually put it into a subscription base where you have to continue to make a monthly commitment in order to have the AI work for you. And if you want to take advantage of it, this is the right time that you need to take advantage of it, because when the time comes and we move into the subscription basis, there will be probably half of what you'll be paying now, but it will be every month. So you'll be saving money now if you get in now. With the amount you save from employing people, that amount now you'll be saving, and that becomes part of your profit so that you can grow your business, invest it into other areas of your business, or employing more dentists or buying other dental offices so that you can grow your empire. Now, the second area of this AI, the second specialty, is the appointment setting. Because it's able to make multiple calls, it's able to reach out to a lot of people, it's able to book you more appointments than any human or marketing campaign will be able to get you. So the combination of this AI and the marketing campaign is what makes you stand out and stand tall from the crowd, because you are able to get more people. The AI is able to reach them earlier, and then you are able to get more people onto your schedule. The third function of the AI is the customer service capabilities it's got. So let's assume you get so many calls into your office. What happens is the AI is able to handle all these calls. So most likely, if you have more than one front desk receptionist, one of them will have to be redundant or reassigned to different tasks. But if you have just one person, it means they can now take their time to welcome and treat your patients right, whilst the AI is able to handle the calls. Where there is a need for the AI to forward the call, then that is where your front desk will be at hand to answer some of those calls if the AI needs to forward them. But most of the time, in many cases we've seen, the AI doesn't have to forward any call. You just take the bookings, book them into your scheduler, and that is it. So the front desk will now have a new role to be able to keep your patients in a very good state, offer them water, tea, coffee, whatever they will need to be comfortable within your premises while they wait. When they finish the treatment, it means your front desk has enough time to have a chat with them to collect review, even as much as the AI can again collect all the reviews that you want in terms of reputation management and everything you want. The AI can do that. But it also means they can speak to a human when they visit your clinic and be able to have face-to-face interaction, and your receptionist will be able to collect reviews from them while they are within your premises. For this one-time installment and activation fee, it means you can free your receptionist to actually take care of your customers and make them feel comfortable. Sometimes we overburden the front desk receptionist, but we don't know that because they are handling all the bookings coming in. They're probably handling all the marketing arrangements that have been made and the leads that are coming through your marketing effort. They are handling all the rebookings, all the cancellations they have to call back, and everything else that is happening within your premises. So sometimes they are overburdened. They might not complain, but if you have something like this to give them support, it's not that you are chucking them out of your office, unless if really necessary, or if you have more than one front desk, that is where you have to look at probably making one redundant, because there will be no point to have two receptionists. The aim of this game is to save you money and increase your profit. That is why you are introducing this. So when the AI is handling the calls and taking your bookings, it means your front desk can focus on keeping your customers comfortable and getting the desired attention that they want. That is the aim of this AI. Leverage it to build your business and free your front desk of a bit of the headache that they are probably going through without letting you know. The AI requires no training. There is no management required. You don't have to do anything once it's activated. It doesn't go sick. It doesn't ask for raises. It doesn't ask for holiday. It doesn't take time off, and it will not quit on you. This AI continues to learn. It continues to get better, and it continues to deliver better service for your business. So if you're wondering, what if 100 people call into your office at the same time? Yes, the AI will be able to handle all those 100 calls at the same time. If 1,000 people call, the same way the AI will be able to handle all the 1,000 people at the same time, and it will record all the calls for you to listen to if you want to. Now let me break it down, comparing that to what you will be saving. So let's say you have one person in your dental office that is making all the calls, that is booking the appointments, and that is doing all the customer service jobs as they do. So under normal circumstances, if you're a bigger dental office, you'll be having all these are 3 separate people. If you are a smaller dental office, then you'll be looking at probably one person doing this. And if you have one person doing this, then you are looking at probably an average of $40,000 a year for their wages. Now, in as much as that is quite a decent amount, but they are under a lot of pressure because they are doing all the other 2 jobs as well. So they will not be able to give your patients the kind of comfort, the kind of feel home feelings that they need to have when they visit your dental office, because the front desk will not have that time to be able to attend to their need, as well as be able to handle all the possible calls and new calls that will be coming in. So this AI is going to leverage your time to allow the front desk to be able to do the job they have to do by welcoming people and making them feel comfortable within your office. On the other hand, if you have 2 or 3 front desks, it means probably, most likely, 2 of them will have to be laid off, made redundant, so that one of them can handle the customers, making them feel comfortable. And then the calls will be taken care of by our AI agent. That is how you will have the competitive advantage over your competition, because calls are handled. You never have to miss any call, and all the cancelled bookings are rebooked. So it's up to you where you want to go from here. But what I want to let you know is that AI is a 100-foot wave that is heading right for the business world. So it's either you want to take a ride on this wave to a better future for your business, or you can sit down and allow your business to be crushed by AI. The decision is yours to make. If you have any question that is unanswered, feel free to text us on the number on the screen, or you can visit our website leaptogrowth.com and send us a message on there, and my team will get to you. I hope this has been helpful. Have a wonderful day.